guys, we're here at Coral View Beach Resort here in Morong, Bataan. Ayan. Nakita nyo ang view guys, ang ganda. Ito yung dagat nila guys. Then mga swimming pool, yung mga swimming pool nila nandoon. Kasama ko nga pala ang aking baby girl at si Mrs. yung aming videographer. Let's go.
Hawakan mo siya, hawakan mo siya.
Yup. Let's go. Up. Kami.
Wow!
Guys, napakaganda ng view. Nagdagat yun. Tapos tignan mo guys, yung doon guys doon yung swimming pool nila. Swimming pool side. There. Tapos may volleyball court. There. Ganda talaga dito guys. Morong Bataan.